Warning, this short video is super cringy and should not be viewed by anyone. If you are sensitive to cringe and cringe-like content, please look away. You have been warned.
Chad here.
Hello, Chad.
Who is this?
What's your favorite scary movie?
What kind of question is that?
What's your favorite scary movie? Come on, Chad. Everyone has a favorite scary movie. What's yours?
Favorite scary movie? I guess Friday the 13th Part 3.
Why Part 3?
Well, Jason's great in that one. Plus, it's the first movie where he gets his hockey mask. It's a total classic.
What about the Scream movies? Aren't they scary?
No way. Those aren't even scary at all. Plus, Ghostface is a chump.
Why don't you say it into my face? What's the matter, Chad? You scared? I'm pretty scary now, aren't I?
Nah, Jason's way more scary than you.
Yes. Yes. Kill for mother.
Ah, shit.